In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mask images in Figma using shapes. This is a fantastic skill to have, and I think you'll find it super useful, especially if you're looking to create profile images, thumbnails, UI designs, or just want to play around with creative layouts. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. First things first, we need to add your image. So go ahead and drag and drop the image you want to use directly into the Figma canvas. Remember, you can choose any image that fits your project. The possibilities are endless. Once your image is in place, we'll move on to step 2, creating a shape. For our masking process, let's use an ellipse. To create one, simply press the letter O on your keyboard. Now, click and drag to draw an ellipse over the area of the image that you want to showcase. This shape will determine which part of the image stays visible, so make sure to cover it just how you'd like. Next, we need to ensure that our shape is situated correctly, behind the image to be specific. If you see that the ellipse is sitting on top, all you need to do is right-click on the ellipse and select Send to Back. This simple step positions the shape behind your image layer, preparing everything for our masking magic. Now that we have both layers set, it's time for step 4, selecting both layers. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click on your image, followed by clicking on the ellipse. It's important to ensure that both layers are selected together, as this is essential for the masking process. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for, step 5, use the mask. With both layers selected, right-click on them, and then click on Use as Mask. And just like that, your image is now perfectly masked inside the shape you created. It's a quick and efficient way to shape your designs. As a bonus tip, feel free to explore different shapes when masking. You're not limited to ellipses alone. You can also use circles, rectangles, custom shapes, and even text. So don't hesitate to experiment with various designs until you achieve the look you want. And that's how you mask images in Figma. It's really straightforward once you get the hang of it, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If this tutorial helped you in any way, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Figma tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. Happy designing, and I can't wait to see what you create.